Welcome to Horning Middle School. We're in one of our Phi Ed classrooms today. Today we're introducing table tennis. We're going through the basic rules of serving.
One of the first rules of serving is that the ball must be visible at all times, so you use an open palm when you toss the ball up. The second rule is that you need to stand behind the table when you're serving at all times. You cannot go along the side to serve. Third is that because it's open palm, it makes it easier that you cannot spin the ball with your fingers. You cannot take it in your fingers and spin it before you serve. Another rule of serving is that you need to be able to wait till your opponent is ready to receive the serve.
Hey, Mr. Coach.
Another rule of serving is once the ball is in your open palm, you're going to toss it. It needs to hit your paddle, your side of the table, then your opponent's side of the table. It should look like this. He's going to go paddle, table, table. Incorrect method of serving would be if he were to drop it and hit the table first, and then he hits the ball. One more time incorrectly. The last rule of serving is that if a let occurs, it would be a redo, which a let is if the ball actually hits your table and the board or net and it goes over and hits the other side. That would be a let. That means that the serve, nobody would receive points. You just be serving the ball over again.
All right, so just a quick review of the serving rules in our table tennis unit. First, you must start with the ball must be visible, and you have that in an open palm. 2, you got to stand behind the end line when you're serving, not on the side of the table. 3, you're not allowed to spin the ball with your fingers. That's why you keep it in an open palm and you throw it up. Number 4, you need to wait for your opponent to be ready, so they need to be looking at you and ready for the ball to come to them. Number 5, on the serve, the ball must hit the paddle first, then the table on your side, and then the table on the other side. And finally, a let serve, where the ball hits the net and goes over, means that you reserve the point.
Hope you enjoyed the unit on table tennis and learned some things about serving, and we'll see you on the table tennis courts.